guys, we're back for episode 2 and we bought these cushions, little mini cushions. I bought them many. You wanna see it, but no way I won't see it. And how about you? Can you do a compliment, Ava?
Yeah, the cushion is very soft. I like it.
Yeah, you should. I recommend you to buy it. But it's crafting one. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna ask Bunch the breakfast again. BRB, be right back. Breakfast ready yet?
Oh, what? You already ate the breakfast just now?
Did I?
Sure.
I forgot. I forgot. I forgot to put the cushions away. But I'm hungry. So I asked you.
Just wait for lunch.
Okay, I'll drink. Oh, this is leftover my favorite drink. Still good. Hey, is it expired?
I think no.
Let me see. It's expired!
Oh no, I'm sorry.
You didn't put it in the fridge. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall now. Oh, Ava, you already here?
Yeah, I'm singing.
I just need to put the cushions. Ow. Ow.
Do you need my help? Oh, I help you.
Wait. Wait.
What you want to say?
The drink is expired, right?
Yeah, I'm not sure.
The drink is expired.
Is it?
But we forgot to buy more things.
Oh no.
Come back for episode 2. No, what the 2? Come back for episode 3 for adventure. and we'll die. Whee!